Hi guys, today we're talking about our bino connector straps. They connect our bino harness fairly universally to any pack that's got the cinch points, and certainly any pack within our drover range. The kit comes with 4 straps, 2 long, 2 short, the longer ones for the upper, the shorter ones for the lower. Well, the drover pack has multiple cinch points. I prefer to put it right at the top at the shoulders because you do have some give in adjustment in length, around 15 centimeters. It can be a little bit fiddly to put them on the first time, but once they're attached, you don't really have any reason to take them off because each point has a heavyweight duraflex clip, meaning that you can leave the connector straps on and unconnect the bino pack directly from the clips. The bino packs themselves have the female mount. Clip it on. Now fully rigged up, you can see that the connector straps are linking the backpack to the bino pack itself. Using its 4 points, it's really quickly removed, making the system quick, comfortable and unrestrictive. The bino pack out the box with the harness is still a great option. I personally run it, it's low profile, it's comfortable. This is just a great alternative option for someone who wants to simplify their gear a little bit and have a backpack and the bino harness all in one seamless system. For more information on the connector straps or for anything else in the SPIKA range, check out our other videos or our home on the web.